Precision in optics starts long before measurement. Understanding tolerances. Understanding mechanics. Understanding thermal behavior. We develop optomechanical systems for demanding optical applications. Tolerance analysis, mechanical interfaces, thermal stability, precision motion and alignment concepts, from prototype to industrial implementation. Optical performance depends on assembly and alignment. We mount, adjust, center, compensate, and verify every optical subsystem, because microns and arc seconds matter. Independent optical metrology, centering and alignment verification, interferometric measurement, angular and longitudinal positioning, documented optical performance. From engineering to verification. Hofbauer OPTIK.